Another way of looking at this is if we're given this region, and if we know how to find the equation of a straight line, and we really need to be able to find the equation of a straight line if we know 2 points on the line. Okay, so if you're fuzzy on that, make sure you review that. Okay, that's pre-calculus. Okay, that was before you did calculus, and I don't know how many times you were asked to find the equation of a straight line in calculus. I suspect you were, because you had a good course. Okay, but anyhow, the equation of the line is this: y equals 3/2 x. It's an equation of the line through straight line through 0, 0, and 3/2. Okay, so various ways to get that. The slope is rise divided by run. From this point to this point, the run is 2, the rise is 3, so the slope is 3/2. The equation of a line is, the slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Okay, well, the y-intercept is 0, so b is 0. So mx plus b is 3/2 x plus 0, which is just 3/2 x. Now, there are various ways to find the equation of a straight line. You need to make sure you know them all. There's simple formulas and there's simple geometry to it. So whether you think in terms of memorizing a formula or the geometry, depends on which way you're more comfortable. Of course, it's best to do it both ways, but one is sufficient. Okay? Okay, so the equation of the line is this. Thus, if this is x, then this point here is y equals 3/2 x, right? I didn't get that from the similar triangles, although we probably have that in our minds right now, okay? We got that from knowing what the equation of the line is. And we just plug the value of x in and we find out where this line is. Directly above or below x, and that's where the y values start. Okay, so again, if we have the equation of this, and it doesn't matter whether this is a line or a curve. I'm going to do one with a curve in a minute, okay? Doesn't matter whether this is a line or curve. The region that you're looking at, the region that you're trying to describe, starts at y equals 3/2 x and goes up to y equals 3, right? So, from the equation of the line, y values start at 3/2 x. And they end at 3. So again, x values go from 0 to 2, and y values go up to 3, and they start at 3/2 x. So we didn't need to do similar triangles or anything if we can find the equation of this line. Okay?